If you've ever wondered where GOG installs your games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find the game installation folder inside GOG Galaxy on your PC. This is super useful if you want to check where your games are stored, move files, free up space, or troubleshoot an installation issue. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the GOG Galaxy app on your PC. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear, and it's usually easy to spot once you know where to look. After that, click settings from the menu that appears. This will open the main settings page for GOG Galaxy. Next, look for the section called Installing, Updating. Click on that option because this is where GOG keeps the download and installation preferences for your games. Once you're inside this menu, scroll or look through the available options until you see the game installation folder. That folder location is the exact place where GOG installs your games on your computer. You can use this path to find your installed games in File Explorer and see exactly where everything is being saved. If you need to change the location later, this same area is where you would manage that as well. So to recap, open GOG Galaxy, click the gear icon in the top left, go to Settings, then Installing, Updating, and you'll find the game installation folder there. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.